Hello and welcome to our new video series on fundamental stock analysis. In today's video, we will look at how this analysis series is structured. First, I will go over the basic of the stock market. Here, you will learn critical terms used in the capital market and type of stock classification. Second, I will discuss what to look for in the company financial statements. This will teach you how to read and interpret the financial numbers in profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statements. Following an understanding of financial statements, we will proceed to qualitative analysis. In this, you will learn how to analyze the economy, industry, and company in a more subjective way. Finally, I will discuss the key financial ratio, which is the most important topic in the analysis of stock. I am attempting to keep this course as simple as possible so that the beginner can follow along with the series. And the emphasis is on understanding the financial numbers rather than how to calculate them. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out our latest content.